Criticism, it's something we all face. But here's the truth. How you respond to it determines whether it will break you or make you stronger. Baltasar Gracián wrote, "The true art of life is knowing what to embrace and what to avoid." Here are 3 steps to turn criticism into your greatest strength. Filter the feedback. Not all criticism is valid. Learn to separate helpful insights from negativity. Find the lesson. Even the harshest words can carry valuable truths. Use them as a tool to grow and improve. Protect your mindset. Don't let someone else's bad energy bring you down. Stay focused on your goals and keep moving forward. Gracian reminds us, misfortune is often the result of folly. Avoid those who dwell in failure, as their negativity can spread like a contagion. Remember, criticism isn't about you, it's about the critic's perspective. Use it to refine your vision, not question your worth. So ask yourself, will you let criticism hold you back, or will you use it as fuel to grow? The choice is yours.